Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Play Store and install your new food app, in my case Opera Mini browser. When you're ready, click on Home button and tap on Devices Settings. Then choose Apps over here and click on the food apps. Following that, tap on one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I have to go with Browser app. Tap on app that you wish to set up, in my case Opera Mini, and simply go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!